Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about tips for bookkeeping with profit first. It'll help make your life easier, less frustrating, and things like that. So my name is Jacob Curtis. I'm the founder of Curtis Accounting Solutions, and also I'm a co-owner of Utah Valley Quilting. If you have any comments or questions about this topic, or you want to know more about it, let me know. Leave a comment in the video or email me at jacob@curtisaccountingsolutions.com or whatnot. So let's just dive right in. So the very first tip that I have for you is to get into a rhythm. Make it a habit. Try to do your bookkeeping and your transfers at the same time. That way you'll know exactly what amounts match to what they are, and things like that. One of the best books I know on habit forming is Atomic Habits by James Clear, and it works for business habits as well as personal habits. It's a very, very good read. I recommend it. And doing this will actually make it easier for you to do your bookkeeping, or for your bookkeeper to do your bookkeeping, because then you or they will know exactly what those are for. They'll be able to see those transfers from one account into another and be able to recognize those and see that very, very easily. It makes it way less stressful and way less frustrating, and super, super helpful when you're actually doing your bookkeeping. So get into a rhythm or a habit with doing your bookkeeping and transfers at the same time. Tip number 2 is start with a small number of accounts. So start out with just the foundational accounts for your business, for your quilt shop. Don't always look for just start off with the 5 basic foundational accounts. Any more than that, you'll begin to get maybe confused or not sure where things are or what to do with them. And so I always recommend start with the least number of accounts that you can get away with. If that's just one account, just your profit account, let's start there and slowly add more accounts as your business gets more complicated and as you need more accounts to help clarify your budget and things like that. And the third tip, don't use credit cards. Make it as simple as possible. Credit cards always seem to complicate things. Now, I understand that you may have to use credit cards or debt at some point. That's fine. Go with the second tip, 3B. Keep it simple. Try to make your payments, again, on that, referring back to the first tip, on a schedule. Make sure you understand what you're buying, when you're buying. Doing daily transfers is not recommended. It's too much of a burden, and it gets a little bit of a headache on the bookkeeping and administrative side. You'll get confused, and so I highly recommend that you just use that you don't use credit cards if you can get away with it, and keep it as simple as possible. Bonus tip: if you are really confused and need help, hire somebody who actually knows Profit First, who is a certified Profit First professional like myself or somebody else. You're lucky. I am a certified Profit First professional and a quilt shop owner, and so I understand both the money side of things, the bookkeeping, the Profit First side, and the quilt shop business, fabrics business in as well. So if you need any help, let me know. On that note, if you want help with Profit First, getting it set up and how to do it, you can download my free guide, my one-sheet guide at my website at curtisaccountingsolutions.com. There'll be a pop-up that says 3 steps to a financially healthy quilt shop. That is the guide. Go ahead and download that, read through it. On the very last page, the last couple pages I should say, is really where you're going to get to the nuts and bolts of Profit First and what to do. So again, you can find me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, or my website again at curtisaccountingsolutions.com. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day. Bye.